To create a travel and entertainment expense report in Excel, you can follow these steps. 1. Open a new Excel worksheet and create a table with columns for the date of the expense, the type of expense, the vendor or merchant, the amount of the expense, and the purpose of the expense. You can also add additional columns for any notes or comments. 2. Enter the expenses into the table, making sure to include all relevant information such as the date, type of expense, vendor, and purpose. You may also want to include any receipts or documentation to support each expense. 3. Add up the total expenses using a simple formula. Include any additional information required by your company's travel and entertainment policy, such as the employee name, department, or period covered by the report. 5. Format the table to make it easy to read and understand. You can use colors, borders, and fonts to highlight important information or make the report more visually appealing. 6. Save the report with a descriptive file name, such as Travel and Entertainment Expense Report January-February 2023. 7. Submit the report to your supervisor or manager for approval, along with any receipts or documentation to support each expense. Here's an example of a travel and entertainment expense report in Excel. In this example, the travel and entertainment expense report is presented in a simple Excel table. The table includes columns for the date of the expense, the type of expense, the vendor or merchant, the amount of the expense, and the purpose of the expense. There is also a column for any notes or additional information. At the bottom of the table, the total amount of the expenses is listed. This can be calculated using a simple formula. It's important to note that the format and structure of travel and entertainment expense reports may vary depending on the company's policies and procedures. However, by using Excel, employees can easily create and customize expense reports that are accurate and compliant with company guidelines.